Hey, so it's Cool Trains in Montreal, and I got a CN train heading eastbound here at Dorval. It was looking like he was slowing down, but I'm not sure now whether he is going to slow down or pick it up. It's about 3:30 p.m. on the 15th of January 2023 on a beautiful sunny day, -5 degrees with no wind. Perfect conditions for winter train spotting in the Montreal area. Oh, here comes the DPU. So train's on track 2, not going on to track 3, not into the yard lead, but still probably heading into Taschereau Yard. Lots of tank cars here. It's actually the second train I've gotten today here at Dorval between 3 and 4 o'clock p.m. Look at this nice pristine snow. It snowed on Friday. Saturday there was a cleanup. Sunday the sun came out. Here I am Sunday in nice sunshine, filming a few trains before I go to the Jardin Dorval. Perfect day. Burlington Northern, look at that. Pretty pristine. There's no graffiti on it or anything like that. 1980s paint scheme with the Cascades green. Oh, there. I need a switch for my model train set. Maybe they could give me that one. This car, I think, is supposed to carry rails. Here's some auto racks. These ones would be loaded. They should have cars in these. So somebody let the ghost out of these fucking cars, man. Kansas City Southern. Bang, bang, bang. Norfolk Southern. Union Pacific. Another faded Union Pacific. No striping there. CSX. CSX used to be Chessie System, one of my favorite railroads before they changed its name. And there it goes underneath the Dorval ramps. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.